Cryptocurrency is everywhere. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others. It's a wild financial frontier where fortunes are made and lost fast. It's thrilling, confusing, and volatile, like a roller coaster ride. But before you jump in, you need a plan. Your strategy is your safety harness. The real question isn't just what to buy, but how to buy it. Should you invest all at once or take it slow and steady? Today we'll break down the two most popular strategies: dollar cost averaging, DCA, and lump sum investing. We'll show you how each works, their pros and cons, and help you decide which fits your style. Ready? Let's dive into the battle of the strategies. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is a straightforward investment strategy that anyone can use, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor. The idea is simple. You invest a fixed amount of money on a regular schedule, like every week or every month, no matter what the price of the asset is at that moment. For example, you might decide to put $100 into Bitcoin every single month, rain or shine, regardless of whether the market is up or down. This approach helps you avoid making emotional decisions or trying to guess the perfect time to buy, which can be stressful and risky. When prices drop, your fixed investment buys you more coins or shares, so you're getting more for your money. When prices rise, you buy fewer coins, but you're still consistently building your investment over time. Over the long run, this strategy averages out the price you pay, helping to reduce the risk of making a big investment at the wrong time. DCA is especially useful in volatile markets like crypto, where prices can swing wildly from day to day, and it's hard to predict what will happen next. It's a set-it-and-forget-it method. Once you set up your recurring investment, you don't have to worry about timing the market or reacting to every price move. You build your position gradually, brick by brick, letting your investments grow steadily over time. It's less dramatic than trying to time the market, but often more reliable and less stressful in the long run. DCA is all about discipline, patience, and focusing on your long-term goals, helping you stay on track, no matter what the market does. Lump sum investing is the opposite. You invest all your money at once. Maybe it's a bonus, a tax refund, or savings. Just pick a day and go all in. If the market rises after you invest, you maximize your gains right away. The main argument for lump sum is that markets usually trend upward over time. So getting in early can pay off. But if you invest right before a crash, losses can be immediate and painful. Lump sum magnifies both your potential gains and your risks. It's a bold move, high reward, high risk. This strategy isn't for the faint of heart. Timing is everything, and the stakes are high. Let's compare DCA and lump sum head-to-head, so you can see which strategy might fit your goals and personality best. DCA, or dollar cost averaging, spreads out your risk by investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, protecting you from accidentally buying everything at the market's peak. If prices drop, you automatically buy more at those lower prices, which helps lower your average cost per coin or share over time. It's a defensive, low-stress approach, perfect for beginners, or anyone who feels anxious about market ups and downs. You don't have to worry about timing the market or making big decisions all at once. The downside, if the market surges right after you start, you might miss out on bigger gains you could have had by investing everything up front. Lump sum investing is all about offense, putting all your money in at once to maximize returns, especially if you get the timing right and the market rises soon after. Historically, lump sum tends to outperform DCA in markets that are generally rising, since your money is working for you right away. But this only works if you avoid investing right before a downturn. The risk. If you invest at a peak and the market drops, you could face big losses quickly, and it can be tough to recover emotionally and financially. DCA's pros include reducing risk, removing emotion from your decisions, and making it easy to invest with any budget. Even small amounts add up over time. Lump sum's pros are higher potential returns and immediate exposure to the market, which can be especially powerful during strong bull runs. DCA's cons? You might miss out on the full upside in a fast-rising market, and it can feel slow if you're eager for quick results. Lump sum's cons are higher risk, more stress, and the potential for regret if the market drops right after you invest. Ultimately, your choice depends on your risk tolerance, your financial goals, and how comfortable you are with market swings. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Pick the strategy that helps you sleep at night and stay invested for the long run. Investing is emotional. Fear and greed can wreck your plans if you let them take control. The ups and downs of the market can trigger anxiety, excitement, or even panic, making it hard to stick to your long-term goals. Recognizing these emotions is the first step to mastering them. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, helps you stick to a disciplined plan by investing a set amount at regular intervals, no matter what the market does. This routine can take the guesswork out of timing the market and helps you build wealth steadily over time. DCA keeps you from panic selling during crashes or chasing hype during rallies. By removing emotion from your decisions, you avoid costly mistakes and stay focused on your strategy, even when headlines scream otherwise. Lump sum investing, on the other hand, puts your emotions to the test. If the market drops right after you invest, regret and anxiety can set in fast, making it tempting to second-guess your choices. DCA acts as a psychological safety net, perfect for those who want to avoid sleepless nights and constant worry about market timing. It's a way to invest with peace of mind. Lump sum requires strong conviction and nerves of steel. You need to trust your research and be prepared to ride out volatility without flinching. Know yourself. If you can't handle big swings or uncertainty, DCA is your friend. It's designed for those who value consistency and want to avoid emotional roller coasters. But if you're comfortable with risk, have done your homework, and can stay calm during downturns, lump sum might suit you better. It can offer higher returns if you invest at the right time. Ultimately, the best strategy is the one you can stick with, even when emotions run high. Consistency and self-awareness are your greatest allies on the path to investment success. So, which is better, DCA or lump sum? It depends on you. For most beginners, DCA is the safest, least stressful way to start. It lets you learn the market and build confidence without risking everything at once. Lump sum can work for experienced investors with high risk tolerance and strong conviction. Sometimes, a hybrid approach works. Invest part up front, DCA the rest. DCA is a marathon, slow, steady, and consistent. Lump sum is a sprint, fast, risky, and potentially rewarding. For most, the marathon wins. Start small, be consistent, and focus on time in the market, not timing the market. That's the smartest way to build wealth in crypto or any market.